Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and today I will show you how we can add another account to Google Play Store. So at the first we have to go for the Play Store. Next we have to tap on the right upper corner and click to add another account. We have to use verification method. Now just be patient and wait a little bit. And right now we have to input our email. Click next. And next we have to input our password, so that's what I'm going to do right now. And as you can see right here, we can simply click next when you input the password. Accept this stuff. And after that we can simply switch between the accounts like that. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.